A lot of people have been asking where to play Wordle and what it is. Firstly, Wordle is not an app, it's a website. I will put the URL on the video, so, every night at midnight there is a secret word. Everyone has the same secret word. And there is only one per day. So therefore you can only play once each day. I think that's what makes it fun. So, you start off by guessing any 5-letter word you want. If the letter turns green, it means that letter is in the correct place in the secret word. If the letter turns yellow, it means it is in the word but not in the right place. And if the letter stays gray, it isn't in the word at all. You use these as clues to get the secret word. You have 6 goes to get it right. I hope that you enjoyed this short video. If you did get some value from it, please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.